Julian Meir from Automated Marking, coming to you with another technical tutorial. What I want to cover today is how to properly install and tension our standard encoder. So what's going to come in the kit is the encoder. In this case, we have the M12 version of this encoder, and then you have the main through axle shaft, the washer, and the nut. Basically, these little L brackets, we have various versions of this depending. So here we just have it bolted into some T-slot on the side of this conveyor. We're gonna go ahead and insert the through axle. We are going to slide the washer on the outside here. And then we're gonna go ahead and tighten this down. So in the kit, it comes with two different Allen keys, one for tensioning the system and one for the through axle. So we're gonna take the larger, which is the one for the through axle. We're gonna put that into the through axle here. And then I have an 11 millimeter small little hand ratchet here. So we're gonna just tension this down. Careful not to pinch the wire here. So once this is nice and snug, so we've snugged this down. That's nice and snug now, so you can see that's not moving. So the next step that we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna pop this little rubber cap off. So basically you just use your nail and pop that little rubber cap off. Now this is your little tensioner set screw. So if we loosen this up completely with the smaller Allen key provided in the system, you're gonna see now this is loose on the main through axle shaft. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna just hold pressure down against the conveyor here, and then you're gonna take your Allen key, the smaller Allen key provided, and you're gonna lift it up towards the ceiling. You can see that this is moving slightly inside of it, and you can feel some spring pressure. So you're gonna move it up in the system, and as you're bringing it to the top, you're gonna tighten it down. So now that's nice and snug there. And basically what that's doing is it's spring tensioning here against the through axle shaft and tightening this pin at the same time. And now you can see that there's spring tension, and that's gonna have nice firm tension there against the conveyor or whatever material, whether it's a shaft or a conveyor here, for your shaft encoder to create nice contact. Now, if you don't have this tight enough, what's gonna happen over time is you can see I loosened that, and now this is gonna get loose. So if this isn't tight enough and it's not, you didn't lift it and tighten that down there, the proper torque specs are in the manual that come with it. And you're gonna have this issue where this wheel here is gonna start to slip, and if it starts to slip, it's no longer gonna register the proper speed to the printer. Once it's tightened, all you're gonna do is gonna go ahead and replace that rubber cap, and now you've properly tensioned the encoder.